Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the exact Gcam build and device profile so settings match hardware. Open the Gcam folder and find the configs directory. If you don't see it, check the app storage or export path. Once located, make a copy named config backup. XML, this protects you if changes break behavior. Then choose a text editor that preserves XML formatting. You'll edit parameters directly rather than relying on in-app toggles. Make small changes first, so you can quickly revert if needed. You now edit parameters like exposure compensation, HDR mode, denoise strength, and white balance. Change values incrementally, 2 to 5% or one step, so you can evaluate impact. Make sure every XML tag is closed and attributes use quotes. A syntax error prevents loading. Once edited, save as a new file name that includes a version or date. Then reload Gcam and use the app's config importer to test. This prevents overwriting a working base file. You finish by loading the new config and shooting a /B comparisons in varied lighting to confirm improvements. If you encounter crashes or missing options, revert to your backup immediately to regain a stable baseline. Once stable, refine values with short cycles. Change, test, evaluate. If problems persist, capture logcat output or note error messages. This helps when asking others for help. One troubleshooting tip: if the app won't accept the file, validate XML syntax and remove unsupported tags.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.